The sun has long been set, by William Wordsworth. The sun has long been set. The stars are out by twos and threes. The little birds are piping yet among the bushes and trees. There is a cuckoo and one or two thrushes, and a far-off wind that rushes, and a sound of water that gushes, and the cuckoo's sovereign cry fills all the hollow of the sky. Who would go parading in London and masquerading on such a night of June, with that beautiful soft half-moon, and all these innocent blisses on such a night as this is?